Hello. Welcome to Everything Fact. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button.
In lucid dreams, people are aware that they are dreaming. According to researchers, lucid dreamers may generally be more insightful than other people. People who have lucid dreams may generally be more insightful than other people, a study suggests. In lucid dreams, people are aware that they are dreaming. They sometimes realize this because something in the dream world doesn't make sense. This may mean that lucid dreamers have insight into their current states, said study researchers Patrick Burke and Hannah Shaw of the University of Lincoln in the United Kingdom. They realize that, despite the overwhelming reality, the only explanation must be that they are, in fact, dreaming, the researchers said. In the study, the researchers looked at 68 psychology students between the ages of 18 and 25, asking the students how often they experienced lucid dreaming. The participants were also asked to solve puzzles that consisted of 3 apparently unrelated words and a solution word that connected them all together. For example, one puzzle had the words sand, a mile, and age, with the linking word stone.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button.